dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us know. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a video, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. It's one of their newer units, and I want to say this is about to become like a new collection for them, but I could be wrong. It's one of their AiryFit scalp care wigs. Now this is a 555 closure water wave unit, and I received her in 22 inches, but she does come in the lengths of 14 all the way down to 26 inches. Now, although this unit does look like your standard 5x5 closure wig, it does have a few special specs, and those are all more so focused on the cap of the unit. To start off, it says that it's supposed to have 150% more space, meaning no matter how big or small your head is, and let's be real, I love to talk about big hair friendly wigs over here. It's supposed to be able to be like super comfortable and an easy fit for everyone. Now, I do have my thoughts on those claims, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with a pre-attached security band that you can adjust, but it does not come with any type of adjustable straps in the back. It does come with like these little grooves on each side of the cap though, and those are supposed to go around your ear to ensure an even more comfortable fit. The cap itself though isn't your standard cap. Most of the time we see like one of two designs, and it's typically either the breathable style to where the tracks are attached to like lace pieces, or we have like the full-on cap to where it's not really all that breathable. With this AiryFit scalp care cap, it's almost like it's combining the two. With this cap, you still get the full-on cap, but you also get like multiple intentional holes within the cap. I hope that doesn't sound bad, but it's pretty much allowing for that airflow to still go through. Another little special spec about these units is the tracks. So you know how most of the time the band on regular tracks is like kind of on the thicker side? Well, with these units, it's supposed to be thinner. I want to say they said it's like 0.5 mm's or something like that. You're still going to get the same amount of hair on the track, but it's supposed to make the unit a little bit lighter in weight. But okay, those are all of the specs that I wanted to go over for this newer unit. Of course, she's also gonna come with, you know, your pre-plucked hairline, your pre-bleached knots, and your pre-cut lace. To me, at this point, it's almost like a standard. But anywho, let's go ahead and install this unit, and of course, I'll come back with my pros and cons in just a second. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair, and of course we're going to start with my cons first. My first con, and really I want to say it's like my only con, is that Miss Girl sheds like crazy. While I was washing this hair, I just had hair and more hair and more hair and more hair just coming out. I was like, what's going on? Mind you, I said this all the time that I'm gonna expect a wig to shed because our own heads shed, but I just wasn't expecting this amount of hair shedding from this wig. Now keep in mind, the hairline on this unit has been plucked to perfection. Like, I didn't have to pluck any of this hair out whatsoever. So it's a huge possibility that the shedding that I was getting was what was left over from whenever they plucked the hairline. Like maybe somebody didn't go in and like brush the hair out and then like wash it or whatever beforehand. But just in case it's not from that, I felt like it was worth mentioning. Now let's move on to my pros for this unit, and really it could be like a pro or a con. I guess it just all depends on who you are. Remember earlier I said that this unit is supposed to have like 150% more space to where, you know, no matter how big or small your head is, it's supposed to fit everybody. I don't really know if I agree with that completely. I say that because this unit is sitting very nicely, very comfortably on my head, and I do have some like extra room. So if your head is bigger than mine, if you have locks, whatever the case may be, you should be able to wear this unit just fine. Now, if you are somebody who has like a little bitty teeny tiny head, I don't necessarily think that this unit would work for you. I say that because, well, I talk to you guys in the comments whenever you do leave comments, and I've had a few people say to wear like some units, if they don't have the adjustable straps in the back, they're not really fitting on their heads, like if they have smaller size heads. And with this one, I have an adjustable straps, but yet it fitting my head really nice and comfortably right now. I just really don't think it would fit somebody with a smaller head. So that's why I say it could be either a pro or a con. If you are someone with a smaller head, again, it could probably be a con for you because it's not really gonna fit in the way that you would probably want it to fit. But yet, if you are a bigger head girl like myself, then girl, you're gonna be just fine. Another pro for this unit is how lightweight this unit does feel. Now, I can't lie, at first I was thinking like, this unit isn't gonna feel any lighter. Like, I don't really feel like most of LuvMe Hair's units feel like really heavy on my head, but like this one really does feel light and airy. Like, I could probably sleep in this unit and be just fine. And just in case you're new here, I don't sleep in my units. Like, I take my stuff off every single night. So for me to be able to say that I could probably sleep in this unit, that should tell you everything. Another pro for this unit is how well they pluck this hairline. Like, y'all, look at this. When I say I haven't plucked anything, I haven't plucked anything. I just love when units come pre-plucked to like perfection, to where you don't have to do anything. You just like literally take it out the box, wash it, co-wash it, whatever you want to do, or just throw it on yourself, and then you're good to go. Like, come on, hairline. I will say that I do wish that this came in like a 13x4 or a 13x6, because I would love to like try to put her up in like a little bun on the top of my head or something like that. But I mean, she's doing just fine right now. Like, I have some of the hair tucked up underneath the wig just a little bit, or just on the side of it, so the tracks don't show. So, you know, I can do a cute little ear tuck and whatnot. But I don't know, I just feel like it'd be cute in a bun. So if you are somebody who is worried about, like, you know, your edges, your sideburns, whatever the case may be, these are the perfect type of units for you. Closure units, that is. I don't think I have anything else to say about this unit. Like, she gets a double thumbs up in my book. You guys let me know what you think and how you feel about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.